Hi, I'm Dawn from Cabin Creek Stitchery. Welcome to my long arm quilting studio. It is Studio Sunday and it's the new year, and I have been so inspired by all of you, so thank you so much. Many of you are cleaning out your closets and gathering up your sentimental clothing, sending it to me to do t-shirt quilts or memory quilts, and you inspired me, so I dug into my closets in the storage here and started cleaning things out, and I just kind of threw together a t-shirt quilt. It was so much fun. The colors were really just awesome. I put cupcake flannel on the back. I have batting in between and just did some custom long arm quilting on it and followed some of the motifs. Just played with thread and had a blast. So let me pull it off and show it to you. It's a small one. It's just a little tiny something to show as a sample and let you know I'm thinking of you. Thank you for getting your closets cleaned out and sending your things this way. If you want to see more of Cabin Creek Stitchery, follow on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.